In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to use for and make a list. So lists is like some things like the variables, but like for multiple things. So let me first show you what a list may look like. So let's make a variable called my underscore list equals, and instead of putting these, we put these. We put these brackets. We don't put the parentheses. So we do this and type maybe A, comma, space, B, comma, space, C, comma, space, and let's do D. Wait, let me fix this. And now, let me just do this. And I'll just put this. And now I'll type print my underscore list. And there, it types ABCD. Now let me show you another technique. Let me show you the for technique. For maybe I and my underscore list. Okay, I forgot something. Let me just copy paste this. And I'll put this and put an indent for space. Print, and we'll just type print I. And now look what it does. A, B, C, D. Good, huh? Now let me show you another for I maybe. For I in range parentheses 10 okay, in 10 parentheses, and then I'll put a comma maybe. And let's just go back. And then I'll enter print I. So what this does is just like write all the numbers from 1 to 10 excluding 10. Let me show you. See? But you might be asking, hey, what if we don't want to put the 0? Or what if we want to start at this number, maybe 4, and maybe end at another number? Good question. So what I would do is, let's just let's just copy this first. And for I in range 10, so what I would do is pretty simple actually. Let's say you want to start at 4 like I showed you. Now we put a comma, and like let's say we want to end at 15. Now as usual we enter space, and then we'll type print I like up here. Now look, watch what happens. See, it types 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you can just do that with any number, like I guess. Now, let me show you some other things we can do with it. Maybe, my name equals Now let's just type my name. Okay? Wait, I forgot something. My name equals, then we'll just put the double quotes. Print in parentheses my underscore name, and then we'll put the bracket, like the brackets, like these ones, 0. Now watch what happens. It prints K. So you might be asking, hey, what? Well, why didn't you start at 1? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, let me tell you one thing about this thing. So basically in Python, the Python language starts with 0. So if you want to like say like write the first letter of something, you have to like print my name 0. Else, if you print my name 1, it'll print the second letter, the O. So basically, you just want to like put like pick your number and subtract, like pick the digit you want, figure out what number it is, like which place it is, subtract it by 1, and there you go. Just put this new number there and I'll just print your thing. Now let me just show you another thing. Now we can do the same thing for like the lists. Like the lists, and for the I in range 415, we can also try to do the same thing. We'll print my underscore name, put brackets like this, and type 0 to 4 maybe. Yeah, 0 to 4. Technically, it'll write the first letter to the third letter. I mean, the first letter to the fifth letter. So yeah, let me show you how that'll look. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so there's an error here. Let me fix that. And we'll copy this. Okay, I accidentally put an indent there. Okay, so let me just write it step by step. So my name and there. Okay, so it keeps indenting for some reason. Let me just fix the indent problem. Ugh. And we accidentally put an indent there, so let's delete that indent. There. Okay, so there's a mistake here, so let's just not do that for now. So another thing we might want to do is type print, and then we might do this and type len. And you know what len is? Len is technically like length. Like it's short for length. It'll like, I told you in a previous lesson, but so if you didn't watch it, you can go watch it. If you didn't, len is just like basically like length of like something, like a string. Like it'll say length is 7. So yeah. Now I'll print len my underscore name. And now I'll just do this. And there we go. Type 7. Even if this string was like different, like it's 7 letters, but if it's like different letters, amount of letters, it'll still write 7 because we assigned a variable to it. My name. See? This is the variable we assigned. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson because our lesson's gonna end here. I hope you enjoyed my my 4 statements and like for I and range and stuff like that. And thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next lesson.